Hi everyone, it's Katrina, just coming to you with another Mother's Day gift idea or any occasion that you'd like to give this for. I used a flat tray from my stash that I got back at Christmas time, and I added items to this basket by rolling over items that did not sell for Valentine's Day. I added bodycology, which I bought at the Walmart sale, and of course our body butter from Dollar Tree. I used the Serum I series set in the back of the basket here, as well as the hydrating oil skin toner. And these are high-end items, that is Solaris and Sakura, which are very high-end. However, on Temu, this set total was less than $5. Then I added the slippers that I got at Dollar Tree for under $1, and the Emory boards from Dollar Tree for $1.25. I'm sorry, the slippers were from Dollar General. And then of course the pink shred. Now you'll see the sign that I got back there that I put Mom on. These were just signs that I had bought at Christmas time, and I bought a whole handful of them because they were on sale. I believe I got them for 25 cents each. And I spelled out the word Mom and put it in the back of the basket as my backer. And I taped the serums and bottles to that, as well as the sign to the bodycology and the hydrating oil on the end here. I added the slippers as well as the Emory boards inside the slippers, and then I glued roses to the top there. I think this basket turned out beautifully and will make a great addition for Mother's Day. You can change the sign on it and use it for a different occasion if you have to roll it over again, like Happy Birthday. Personalize it with someone's name. There are a lot of different things that you can do with this. So I hope that you enjoyed this video and that you like this particular basket. Please leave me a comment, like, subscribe, and share. Let me know what you think. Be blessed and be a blessing.